Hello everyone, this is Nidhi Gill and welcome to Sweet Magnolia. My energy today is a little lower than usual, for which I am having black coffee and trying to bring it up to my usual self. But I think it's just that, one of those emotional days. आप लोग बहुत सारे लोग मुझे पूछते रहते हैं कि आप अपनी लाइफ के बारे में बताइए, आप अपने बारे में बताइए, अपने बारे में वीडियो शूट कीजिए, हाउ डज योर डे गो, हाउ डू यू स्पेंड योर डे, हाउ हैज़ योर लाइफ बिन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो पूरा वीडियो तो मैं नहीं शूट करूँगी कभी, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट. बट फिर भी मैं कुछ पार्ट्स में शायद आप लोगों से शेयर करूँगी my life story, or not really my life story, my situation presently. All right? So, now the story goes like, I have two kids, yeah? Both grown-up children, and they are in university, their respective universities. And so obviously universities mein hain, so they have gone abroad to study. So what happens is that as parents hum log wings dete hain apne bachchon ko, and we all want our children to grow and live their dreams. And I am also that kind of parent, and I'm always, I'm very proud of them, whatever they're doing. But then there are times when you really miss them. Although मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं ज़्यादा अपना दिमाग वहाँ नहीं लगाऊँ, and I can just be busy with my thing. But then there are some times and some moments where it is not possible कि आप कम सोचें उनके बारे में, या वो सारी पुरानी मेमोरीज जो वो छोटे थे वो उन्हीं कम याद करें, ऐसा नहीं हो पाता. और किसी दिन तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा याद आता है. और अगर आपके घर में उनकी पिक्चर्स हर जगह लगी होती हैं, वो आप लोगों के सबके बहुत लोगों के साथ होता होगा, उनकी पिक्चर्स हर जगह लगी होंगी. अगर आपने उस पिक्चर की तरफ 10 सेकंड से ज़्यादा देख लिया तो आपको रोना आ जाएगा. तो इसीलिए 10 सेकंड से कम देखिए, डस्ट कीजिए और आगे निकल जाइए. डू नॉट वेट एंड वो लुक एट द पिक्चर फॉर लॉन्गर, बिकॉज व्हेन यू डू दैट, दैट्स व्हेन यू ब्रेक डाउन, राइट? सो इट्स वन ऑफ दोज डेज फॉर मी ऑल्सो. इट इज my daughter's birthday coming very soon, and she studies far from me, and it's not possible to for her to come often. In fact, I haven't seen her for 2 years. 2 years is a long time not seeing your child. So before I start crying, which I very often do because I'm a very emotional person, तो मैंने टिश्यू बॉक्स देखा, आपने बिल्कुल पास रखा हुआ है, सुंदर वाला टिश्यू बॉक्स. Okay, so I just thought that maybe I should send her something that she likes. Now it's not possible to send too much stuff. One, अब बहुत ज़्यादा सामान आप भेज नहीं सकते, केक आप भेज नहीं सकते, तो क्या भेजेंगे? So I really gave it a lot of thought, and I picked up some things जो उसे अच्छी लगती हैं, जो मुझे पता है अच्छी लगती हैं, और जो possible था भेजना. And I've just collected a few of those things, and I thought I'll box pack them nicely and send it across to her. So she just feels a little special on her special day. And she knows that, she knows this, that she is on my mind all the time. But yeah, she knows it a little more. Yeah, maybe that's the whole idea behind it. So without talking too much, I think I'll get to task. So this is not going to be a gift wrapping video. It is just an emotional video probably that I wanted to... I don't even know why I recorded this actually. But yes, I just felt like because everybody, there are so many people who comment and ask, so मैंने सोचा why not? तो आपके साथ मैं भी अपनी लाइफ का थोड़ा पार्ट शेयर करती हूँ, और आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ पर्सनल चीज़ें भी बताती हूँ. Okay, so to start with, this is the box that I'm going to be packing for her. I actually wanted to send her a cake, but cake तो यहाँ से भेजना possible नहीं है, तो मैं दुनिया भर की cookies उसके लिए collect की हैं, because इनकी shelf life ज़्यादा होती है, and she can have them for days together. So 1 variety, 2 variety, 3 variety, and since she is extremely fond of red velvet cake, I picked up lots and lots of red velvet cookies for her. तो अब आज उसके बॉक्स में हम क्या-क्या पैक करेंगे वो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. So like I said, she is so fond of perfumes. So I decided that that is going to be a good gift. So somebody known to us, known to me, has recently launched this amazing brand of perfumes, and the name is Zainab. This is the logo, and this is the packing. And I have to say, I bought it for myself, and जब अपने बच्चे को देना था, this is what I chose because the fragrance was so amazing, and it's such a lovely gift when you have to give it to somebody, and very classy, very nice. I'm very sure that she's going to love it, and this is the kind of fragrance she likes. So I have chosen Silk Oud. That is the name of the perfume. I will just open it and also show you the bottle. So this is how the bottle looks. Simple, nice, and yet classy. Heaven is what I would describe it as. And yes, this is not a paid collaboration. So, ये भाई मैंने पैसे देके खरीदा अपने बच्चे के लिए. So, this is what I'm going to be sending to her. The most important thing, which I am sure she's going to love, and I know she's going to love the cookies also. Another thing I'm sending for her are these marinades, multiple packets. So this one packet is good for one serving, and I had sent them to her last time as well, and she quite liked them. So because मेरे बच्चे खुद खाना बनाना पड़ता है, तो saving her all the effort of collecting the masalas, कभी जीरा उठाओ, कभी ये उठाओ, कभी मिर्ची उठाओ. So this is quite a handy thing for children who are studying abroad and here also. मैं खुद भी use करती हूँ. So yeah, for anybody who is as lazy as I am, or if you have children studying away who have to cook for themselves specifically, this is a very good option. Tried and tested. So the masalas also go in, and lots of more cookies go in. और इतनी सारी खाने की चीज़ें, इतने सारे कुकीज़ और इतना सारा मैरिनेट चिकन जो मैं इसे भेज रही हूँ. खाने के बाद अगर जो कि बहुत ऑफन होता है, तो उसे क्या भेजना है? इनो अजवाइन. मदर इज ऑलवेज अ मदर. जब वो मुझे कॉल करती है, मम्मा माय स्टमक इज एकिंग, मेरा पेट दुख रहा है, तो वो सिचुएशन अवॉइड करने के लिए जा रहा है इनो. तो अब तो मान ही गए होगा, अब इन्होंने तो मुझे नहीं पेड कोलैबोरेशन किया होगा. सो 2 डब्बास ऑफ इनो अजवाइन, आई गॉट दिस. तो ये मैं भेज रही हूँ उसे. एंड सो दिस गो हियर. इसके तो मुझे शायद गाली भी पड़ सकती हैं, आपको कुछ और नहीं मिला था, आपने मुझे ये भेजा इनो. But nevertheless, me being me and me being the mommy, I have to do what I have to do. Now, to make all of this look pretty and nice, I shall add some flowers to this. But उससे पहले मैं इसे करूँगी कम. So there is space underneath. वहाँ पे cavity थी जो मैंने छोड़ी थी, and I've put flowers, and when I put the lid, वो press होके अंदर चले जाएंगे. And then it is ready. So now the packing is done, but I just have to beautify the box. and Zoe's birthday gift is ready to be shipped. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. I am truly grateful to all of you. Do subscribe to the channel for more such content and रोने वाला content नहीं, creative content for more such content, and keep supporting. Thank you so much. Forever grateful. Thank you.